moment for our school to have hosted Cadence on an online platform during this pandemic. It is such a great pleasure to get back to our students and hear them sing. We, the teachers, thoroughly enjoyed putting this program together and watch our school reach the 3rd position overall. Congratulations to all the schools who have participated in this event and made it a great success.
Music is the wine that fills the cup of silence. Let me begin by thanking the Almighty for this resounding success. What a moment it is to look back on a month-long fest of songs which is still resounding in our ears. It is my privilege to extend a heartfelt and warm thank you to everybody involved in making this year's Cadence 2020 such a great success. The list of thanks is very long, as the fest is a result of an amazing and unique cooperative spirit. Within the proud and beautiful landscapes of the life of music in St. Joseph's Boys High School. I thank our principal, Reverend Father Sunil Fernandez S.J., Vice Principal, Mr. Uday Kumar, Administrator of the Primary Section, Reverend Father Joel Fernandez S.J., for having given us the opportunity to conduct Cadence despite the challenging conditions. I thank all the teachers involved for their love and support. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the music department of every school and every member in it for their dedication and willingness to complete the task beyond their comfort zones. Our sincere gratitude goes out to all the parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support and encouragement, and for helping us share the beauty of this event with such wide audience. Without your support, children would not have been able to achieve excellence. Thank you so much for attending this event. Last but not least, a big thank you to each one of you who have made Cadence Season 2 memorable for all of us. On behalf of my school, let me thank you and all our students who are not only good at academics but also in extracurricular activities. We value you and every moment that you stay in this temple of learning. Kudos to all the winners and participants. Let the show go on for you and for us. We look forward to your participation at Cadence 2021. Thank you.